All right, guys, we are still making our way back. Hey, there's a big pile of yellow ones over there. Making our way back. There's one of the tunnels. I've lost count of the tunnels now. Bunch of tunnels, really cool. What were we looking at over here? Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna trudge over all this, which is all bricks underneath here, and here's some brick pudding. Look, guys, look at it. Look at it. It's all mixed in. It's all mixed in. It's so crazy. Man, I don't even know where to look. Yeah, this is that brick pudding. Oh, this piece has got a big chunk of metal in it or something. Huh, very lightweight, weird. All right, we're really looking at this brick pudding and then some cool stuff right over it. I guess I'll come over here. Oh yeah, that one for sure, yep. All right, brick pudding. Look, you can literally see like melted brick right here. This is all red. This stuff's all red. Wow. Okay, and then what do we got? L floater right there. Still locked in. The brick repairman has been here. We got stuff dripping off the edge. This is like drippy and fused to the rock blocks right here. Wow. This must have been dripping from above or something. Wow. It's all red, guys, that part. Crazy. Oh, here's a brick, half, sorta, kinda brick, yellow. Oh, it's loose. Fell apart in my hands. One of those yellow bricks. Just a bunch of glob nonsense here. We got, yep, L floater right there. And we're gonna stand back and look at the other floaters. Can't really see where you're walking on because you have all these bushes on top. Okay, here's our wall. There's the mills. And bingo. Floaters. Let's go up and get a closer look at them. Oh, look at this cool stamp brick. Whoa. Buried in the pudding. This one says a lot. I don't know what it says, but cool. Very cool. Crescent 4899 something or other. I'd get it out, but it's fused in with the brick glob of melt that is before us right here. Okay, get a closer look at these floaters that are just chilling here. Whoops. Brick repairman. Another one right here showing its face. Yeah, bingo.
Some brick that's in this hole too.
All right. Let's go look over here.
This one they just stuck that in.
Oh yeah. I'm sure someone had the time to stick their arm 3 feet in there and stick that there. They're all through all the cracks and crevices, guys, obviously. And FYI, this quote unquote wall, every crack and crevice that we can see, it just goes in as far as you can see. So it's not just a wall, it's much more than that. So, all right. Yep, we're gonna keep going.